Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am your maths teacher for class 5. Now open your maths book page number 67, exercise number 4.1. Question number 1. The price of 13 caps is rupees 117. Find the price of 8 caps. Now open your maths work copy, draw margin line, mention date, exercise number, page number. Question number 1. The price of 13 caps is rupees 117. Find the price of 8 caps. Write the heading of solve. The price of 13 caps is equal to rupees 117. First we find the price of 1 cap. The price of 1 cap. To find price of 1 cap, we need to divide price of 13 caps by the number of caps. Price of 13 caps is 117. So we write 117. Number of caps is 13. So we write 13. Now we can do cancellation. 13 ones are 13. 13 nines are 117. The price of 1 cap is equal to rupees 9. To find price of 8 cap, the price of 8 caps is equal to find price of 8 caps, we need to multiply price of 1 cap by the number of cap. Price of 1 cap is 9. So we write 9 multiply. Number of caps is 8. So we will write 8. The price of 8 caps is equal to 9 multiplied by 8, 72. 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to 72. The answer is rupees 72. I have explained you question number 1. Do question number 2 by yourself. Question number 3. The price of 8 pencils is rupees 9.60. Find the price of dozen pencils. Write heading of solve. The price of 8 pencils is equal to rupees 9.60. To find price of 1 pencil, we need to divide price of 8 pencils by the number of pencils. The price of 1 pencil is equal to price of 8 pencils 9.60. Number of pencils is 8. So we write 8. 9.60 upon 8. First we remove the decimal. When we remove the decimal, we put 1 in denominator with multiply sign. There are 2 digits, so we put 2 zeros after 1 in denominator. Again we write the price of one pencil is equal to 9.60 become 960 upon 8 multiplied by 100 makes 800. Now we can do cancellation. 2 4s are 8, 0 as it is, 0 as it is. 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 8s are 16, 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is, 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 0 as it is, 0 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. 2 5s are 10, 0 as it is. 2 6s are 12, 0 as it is. 0 से 0 cancel. The price of one pencil is equal to rupees 6 upon 5. To find price of dozen pencil, we need to multiply the price of one pencil by the number of pencil. The price of 12 pencils is equal to price of one pencil 6 upon 5. So we write 6 upon 5. Number of pencil are 12. So we write 12 with multiply sign. 5 and 12 are not divided by same table, so we multiply it. The price of 12 pencils is equal to 12 6 72 upon 5. If numerator is greater than denominator, so divide. We write denominator in dividend place, numerator in dividend place. 5, 72. 5 ones are 5 minus 7 minus 5, 2. 2 is not divisible by 5, so we write again 2. 5 4s are 20 minus 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 2, cross. 2 is not divided by 5, so we write point and add 0. 5 4s are 20 minus 0 minus 0, cross. 2 minus 2, cross. The price of 12 pencils is equal to rupees 14.4. This is answer. This is end of today's lecture. Please complete your work and submit it on coming Tuesday. Allah Hafiz.